What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm really pumped up guys, because today we have with the Oppo's new fabulous design guys. It's mind blowing, so please watch till the end, don't skip guys. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, here we have the Oppo F17 Pro guys. Now let's start unboxing it. You can see here the main look of the device right here, and backside you have some of the specifications, and here you have some more specifications guys. As you can see right here, this is an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage device guys. The price of this device varies from 19,000 to 21,000 guys. So let's get inside. Wow guys, I am really pumped up right now. You can see the shell comes off. Now it's time for the device guys. Wow guys, that's so satisfying. Okay guys, here we have the main highlights of the device, which are a 7.48mm ultra sleek body along with 6 AI portrait cameras, and this also has 30W flash charging 4.0 guys, and the display is 16.34 centimeters Super AMOLED display. That means 6.34 inches Super AMOLED display guys. Now let's bring it out guys and see how it looks. Okay guys, here now let's keep the device aside for a minute and removing the first compartment right here guys. You can get a SIM ejector right here, and also a clear case which is right here guys. Now I'm going to keep it inside, and also with that you also get two main paperworks of the device. And here inside the box we have the accessories guys. Here we have the 30W 4.0 fast charging adapter right here, and also we get a USB to Type-C cable along with some earphones. Okay guys, coming to the charging adapter, it's very bulky guys, and it seems like it has so much inside it than we think, because that's a 30W support fast charger, so it's great guys. Now keeping this aside, you also get a very quality Type-C cable right here. Keeping them aside, you also get a 3.5mm headphone jack with half an ear earphones right inside here. Okay guys, now coming to the device, peeling the sticker off. Now we can see the original body guys. You can see this is a glossy matte finish guys, and that feels really great in your hands guys, and I am very much satisfied with that. Okay guys, here you can see this is a glossy matte finish guys, which is very awesome, and they will also not catch your fingerprints on the back side. And coming to the right side right here guys, you have the power button. You can see right here the whole body runs a light blue tint around like this, and coming to the up you have nothing guys, and right here you have the volume up and down buttons right here, and down you have the 3.5mm headphone jack and microphone, and also a charging port with the speaker grill. Also on the left side, by using the SIM ejector, we can bring out the triple slot guys, which also has a dedicated SD card slot right here. Okay guys, back here you get a uniquely positioned quad camera with a 48 megapixels of primary camera along with a 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and which also has a 2MP plus 2MP mono cameras guys. Yes guys, you get two mono cameras on this device. Also guys, beside the camera you can see the double LED flashlight guys. Now coming to the front of the device guys, you can see it has a double front camera guys, and you can see it's a small cutout for a double lens camera to be right there, and Oppo have done a very great job in that guys. Here you get a 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel of selfie cameras right here guys. You can see both of them right here. Now booting the device up, it lets out some animation guys. You can see Oppo. Okay guys, right here, after booting up the device, you can see its interface right here, and it's pretty smooth guys. It is a new mobile, so it is common for it to... Okay guys, you can see this device. It's very slim guys and sleek, and coming to think of it, this is the most thin and lightest mobile in my hand guys. That's amazing guys. It is the lightest mobile that I've ever seen. Okay guys, you can see there is some always on display. You can see right here, opening it up. This phone runs on Android version 11 guys, along with ColorOS version 11, and which is awesome guys. It has an octa-core processor along with 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Okay guys, here you get a 4015 mAh of battery, which is awesome and gives you great battery life, and also you have different power saving modes based on your use and your requirement. Okay guys, here the display is an Super AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate guys, and it gives you smooth performance. And for gamers guys, you can play high-end games in medium, that's better, or else the phone may crash or cause some problems if you play in high. Okay guys, coming to the biometrics, it has an inbuilt fingerprint scanner, you can see, which is very accurate and fast. Also guys, you can see the face recognition right here, and you can just swipe it up to open guys, and it's also really quick guys, and you can see it works every time guys. Okay guys, the main specialty of this device is the camera guys. The camera, in the camera it has many features. The AI features guys, they are really awesome, and also you get some cool interesting stuff inside the camera guys. You get the portrait mode. In the portrait mode you get the black and white mode guys. You can see, I'm gonna show you here. Pressing this color button, you can go to the second option, and you can see here guys, my face is in color and my background turned black and white, and that's a special feature that you can get only with this device guys, and it's awesome. The selfie camera also takes great pictures. Here are some photos that I took with this device. This device can also take photos and shoot video in 4K guys. You can see the video resolution in 4K. It can shoot up to 30 frames per second in 4K guys, and that's really awesome. And you can also shoot slow motion videos in 720p and also 180p guys. And the best part of this device is the AI options guys, and it can recognize anything guys in the AI mode. In the AI mode guys, you can see, which is right here, it can detect anything, and it sets the settings preferable to that scene or situation you're in guys. And you can also see that when you turn your camera to the front camera, a small animation appears to be around the camera right there guys. I'm gonna show you once more, and switching to, you can see guys, that's a pretty animation that tells you that you're using your front camera. And you can see that the video is amazing on the front camera guys. I'm gonna record a bit, and this is how the bit sounds from the front camera of the camera guys. Please note down in the comments that how it feels. Okay guys, the device is awesome and that's for today. And today's video is sponsored by SIMHAADRI Cell World besides RTC bus stand, JANGAREDDIGUDEM, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. And for more details on the device and the shop, please check the description and don't forget to comment how you feel about this video and give me some suggestions how I should improve. Thank you guys, thank you for watching and meet you on the next one.